Now then, we always go in for a lot of noise making and fun on our program at the Grand Ole Opry on radio station on Saturday night, so we leave a lot of that up to bashful brother Oswald. Oswald, good old Mountain Dew.
Step aside, Roy. Let us go.
Mighty nice, Smoky Mountain Boys, bashful brother Oswald. We brought a fellow with us that you folks enjoyed so much here the other time, and we're happy that we could bring him back to the program. A fellow that writes just as many songs as most anybody in the country and sings them just as well when it comes to the country style of singing. Hank Williams.
Thank you, Roy. I've got a song here that I'd like to do that's been awful kind to me and the boys. It's bought us quite a few beans and biscuits. This is the best song we've ever had financially. A little tune called Cold, Cold Heart. I try so hard, my dear, to show that you're my every dream. Yet you're afraid each thing I do, it's just some evil scheme. A memory from your lonesome past keeps us so far apart. Why can't I free your doubtful mind and melt your cold, cold heart? Another love before my time made your heart sad and blue. And so my heart is paying now for things I didn't do. In anger
Two boys I want you to meet that's on our radio show each Saturday night. I know that you'll enjoy them, along with Cousin Odie, Lonzo, and Oscar.
Thank you, Mr. Acuff and Auntie Fred. We're really glad to be here tonight. We'd like to sing you a song that is, if you fellas will behave yourselves. Now, let us sing one right. Title of it is Why Should I Cry Over You? Are you ready? Let's play quick. Why should I cry over you, dear? When you never cry over me. You want to take without giving. Disagree. You call our dream world a prison. From now on, you'll be free. Why should I cry over you, dear? When you never cry over me. Oscar, it's your time to play. Now play it right. My time? Yeah, go right. Well, I'm a hankering to pick one. Go. Why should I cry over you, dear? When you never cried over me. 'Cause she's a highfalutin mama. You want to take without giving. That's why our hearts disagree. You called our dream world a prison. But from now on, you'll be free. Why should I cry over you, dear? When you never cried over me. When you never cried over me. When you never cried over me. When you never cried over me.
Thank you, friends. Thank you. Mighty nice. Wish we had time for them to come back, but we've got to get along. Well, all you boys gather around me here in the Carter family, Hank Williams and all, let's do one of our camp meeting songs, The Glory Bound Train. Come and listen, won't you, brother? Have you heard or don't you know? There's a train is bound for glory. Will you ride it when it goes? Has your ticket yet been purchased for that glory-bound train? Will you ride that glory-bound train? Will you ride that glory-bound train? Will you ride that train, glory by and by? Have you made all preparations, reservations all complete? When you hear that whistle blowing, will you be there at your seat? Has your ticket yet been purchased for that glory-bound train? Will you ride that glory-bound train? Will you ride that glory-bound train? Will you ride that train, glory by and by? When you hear it in the distance, hear its mighty drivers roll. Just a little while to tarry, then we'll walk those streets and go. Has your ticket yet been purchased for that glory-bound train? Will you ride that glory-bound train? Will you ride that glory-bound train? Will you ride that train, glory by and by? Thank you for letting us come into your home. Thanks to Ted Collins and Kate Smith for the invitation back. Speaking in behalf of all the the entire gang. I want to say thanks to you. Good night, everyone. Good night.
Here's how John Smith was saved by Pocahontas and new Babble, world's sudsiest cleanser.
Oh, Pocahontas worked so hard she couldn't see in her backyard. The Captain Smith was in distress
While she was stuck with Sink Smog's mess.
Too bad she didn't have Babble, so sad she didn't have Babble.
Poor John, he was wishing she could have
Brighter, whiter Babble.
Then appeared a medicine man who said,
The cure is in this can.
Babble's Power Pack Suds Papoose
Will make old Sink Smog vamoose.
Yes, Babble's Power Pack Suds sweep away zinc smog in seconds.
Babble saved me. Now I'm free to save John Smith. That's why so many might brighter, whiter Babble.
No Sink Smog with Babble.
We'll be plumb out and
leave you until another week rolls around. We'll be back at the usual time next Wednesday evening. We sincerely hope you'll be waiting for us. So until then, thank you, God bless you, and good night, folks.
This portion of the Kate Smith Evening Hour has been brought to you by new Wonder Sudsing Babble. Next week, it'll be brought to you by Answer, creators of the world's newest, smartest jewelry for men. Be as debonair as a millionaire in jewelry by Anson. Tune in next week when the Kate Smith Evening Hour will be brought to you by the makers of Reynolds Aluminum, the Reynolds Metals Company, and Anson, creator of the world's smartest jewelry for men over most of these same stations.